GPM versus PSI. Gallons per minute is how much water is coming out at a time, and PSI is how hard that water is coming out. If you think about a big fire hose, like on a fire truck, that hose is huge and there's a ton of water coming out at one time. I don't know what they are, like 100 or 200 GPM, but there's hardly any pressure to that. It's coming out at like 60 or 80 PSI. Now, when you see them crank down on their nozzle, and that spray gets really focused and it starts spraying really hard, that's pressure. When we wash trucks, we're using an 8 gallon a minute machine and we run it at about 2,500 or 2,800 PSI. Gallons per minute in pressure washing is more important than your PSI. Now, obviously you can't wash something with 2 PSI. I mean, you're gonna need some pressure behind you. But if you have a 4 gallon a minute machine versus an 8 gallon a minute machine, the 8's gonna be moving twice as much water, which is gonna allow you to go faster. For fleet washing specifically, 5.5 gallons per minute is about perfect. It's a good in-between from getting enough flow, but not being too much where it wears you out or really drains your water supply. An 8 gallon a minute machine is a great versatile machine to do everything. So say you do some concrete, you do some fleet washing, an 8 gallon a minute will have enough power to push your surface cleaner efficiently and to also rinse concrete, and it'll be great and plenty for truck washing. It maybe just be a little bit too much sometimes, but that 5.5 is about perfect when it comes to strictly truck washing. The other reason that we prefer a 5.5 gallon a minute machine is purely because it doesn't wear you out as much as an 8. If you hold on to an 8 gallon a minute machine all day, it feels like you're holding on to a rocket launcher at all times. And a 5 is just a lot more toned back and manageable.